Hey guys, what's up? Kind of got a request to shoot something other than Full Metal Jacket, so I have hollow points in 122 grain as well as 154 grain soft point. So I'm gonna shoot. I got a pumpkin downrange right over there, and I'm gonna shoot 2 hollow points, and then I'll shoot 154 grain. I'll see if I have to change up the target though. So here we go. We're clear. Let's go check it out. And it looks like it has a bigger hole, entrance hole. Let's check it out in the back. It's got a bigger wound cavity. Yeah. So that was hollow points, and now I have 154 grain soft point ammunition. Clear. Let's go check it out. Sorry for the wind, guys, if it's a little windy. I made a bigger entrance hole. Yeah, that 154 grain actually did a little bit more damage than what I thought. Wow, it's actually a pretty big hole. Yeah, so hollow point and soft point do much more damage. Well, obviously, because Full Metal Jacket's made to punch through stuff. So I'm actually gonna fill up another pumpkin with water, and then we'll shoot with a hollow point and see what happens to it. All right, guys. So this is these are hollow points again, except this time we have a pumpkin filled with water. There's 2 holes on the top where I've put in the water. So the theory is that with the hollow point, when it goes in, it's going to tear up right away in the water, and it should tear up and make a pretty big wound cavity. So let's see how that works. I kind of want to take another shot at that. Might as well, huh? Let's go check it. Sorry for the wind, guys. That's pretty cool. You got a piece, how far that is from there. Right over here. Some internals. Wow. Looks like that's where it hit right there, I think. We got some pieces over here. Lots of its seeds everywhere. Got some mush over here. And behind our target, some more. Look at that, even over here, little bits and pieces. That's from that far away. All that over there too. So this is probably as close as I can get to a live target. I mean, because the body's full of a lot of liquids and stuff like that. So hollow points are very destructive. Yeah. So you guys got any questions or anything like that? Put them in the comments below or send me a private message and I'll get back to you. That's the 7.62 by 39 AR-15 with hollow points and 154 grain soft points. Alright guys, see you later.